Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add new vehicles or amend information on current vehicles on Gekko accounting software. To add a new vehicles is quickest way to go through settings section, and there is subsection called cars. From here, to add a new car, click on this button, add new car, and you will be presented with the same pop-up message as I clicked on edit now. So all current vehicles you can archive if you don't use anymore in your business, or you can edit. So you can select either it's company's car or private car. You will need to provide license plate number, select brand, model, type, fill in details here as well. Plus you will need to provide odometer reading in kilometers and used from until when. And once you have amended information or added information for new vehicle, either you will need to click update or you will need to click save. Another place to add new vehicles or amend details about current vehicles is to go through trips section. From here, click on new and you will be able to access under manage my cars section. Here you are presented with the same list of your vehicles. You can archive them, you can edit information, or you can add a new vehicle by clicking on this button, add a new car. In this episode, I showed you how you can add new vehicles or edit current vehicles on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.